There was a downpour minutes before, little droplets of water clinging on leaves, each quivering, traveling along the veins. And so life begins. It flows and flows and flows. Some ridges surface, some drops broken, some dreams allowed to be gone. For better or worse, some paths are chosen. The sun's rays bestow, crystal rainbows appearing, the warmth of feeling alive, enthralling colors painting our smiles. But rainbows so often fade in the endless sky. The tiny drops meeting the ground, seeping in, a strange blanket of sadness. The colors gone, blacks and white remains. The sorrows we face, the goals we failed, the love lost, and the dread of losing. And right where everything ended, faith shredded to pieces. An ocean is found, brimming with opportunities. The little drop shall hence craft his destiny again.